$8. Okay. I like this game. Very much. Like it. Okay. Oh. Okay. Oh. Okay. What? Oh, I got it. Sorry. So, Alright, everyone. I get, this song. Yeah. Everyone, this game is called, Gas Station Simulator. So you can play this on Roblox. Of course, you see the icon, Roblox. Now, your goal here is to make your gas station profitable, like putting gas, but in the starting, you'll have what's the music? I don't like the music. The sound effect. Yeah, I don't like it. Oh yeah, that's good. Okay, when you once enter, you get this thing, and now it will take you to tutorial in here in a computer. So you buy this chocolate bar, like one. So after you buy, go outside in here, and then wait for the drone. There's a drone gonna come down and bring the supplies you bought from the computer. After that, you pick the box and you go here to that shelf and refill it whatever you want. So yeah, that is the game for all of it. Thank you. That's all.